morning, dear students. So, last time we have completed the first experiment of the syllabus, volumetric analysis. And today you might have already received the video link. Of the demonstration for volumetric analysis and also the PDF for the same experiment, how to write in the manual. So any doubts regarding the writing part in the manual, you can give calls and clear your doubts, and only you enter in the practical workbook. Please don't enter any wrong method of writing the experiment in your practical workbook. In the PDF only I have mentioned which part you have to write on right hand side in the manual practical workbook, and which part you have to write on the LHS left hand side. Okay, so any doubts, please confirm and then write. So dear students, we start with the second category of the experiment today, that is qualitative analysis. Qualitative analysis. Now in this experiment, you will be given a salt. You know what is salt? And that salt contains one cation and one anion, that also you know. Now we have to qualitatively detect which cation means positive ion and which anion means negative ion is present in the given salt. Now for this experiment, I will just show you the pattern first, then we will continue. Look here. Qualitative analysis of the salt. Then you write down the experiment number, aim, apparatus. Then we start with the experiment, which contains different steps. So first step is preliminary test. Now once you write down this heading, after that you divide the whole page, remaining page, into 3 columns. First column you give the heading experiment, second column you give the heading observation, third column you give the heading inference. This way you divide the remaining page into 3 columns, and you have to use scale and pencil strictly, otherwise I am not going to check the experiment. So follow the instructions carefully. So divide the page into 3 columns and start performing the test. So preliminary test, in that first test, color. So salt will be given to you. That means you can see the color. Like we have today's salt. It's a colorless salt, white colored salt. So experiment column you write down color. Observation column you write down white, white or colorless, and inference column you write down NH4 plus, Ca2 plus, Sr2 plus radicals may be present. So that you will understand, because I am going to send the PDF, all the writing part, how to write, complete format of the experiment will be sent to you. So no need to worry. Understand how to perform the experiment. So color white, then solubility in water. You take little amount of salt with the help of spatula. This is spatula, small spoon like. You take little amount of the salt. Little amount of salt and add in the test tube. Add in the test tube. Okay, add water. And mix it properly. So you can find that amount of the salt is decreasing. Okay, you have taken more, now it is decreasing, that means it is soluble in water. So inference for this you can write down soluble cations are present. Soluble cations are present. Observation column you write down soluble, inference soluble cations are present. After this test, we have the preliminary test for anions. Okay, preliminary test for anions means negative radical. Now in that first test, so take little amount of salt and add dilute HCl. So we have all your table reagents, you will get on your table only. Dilute HCl. See. And here you have to check for effervescence. अब effervescence मतलब क्या? Effervescence means bubbles. When you open any carbonated, okay, drinks bottle, that is Coca-Cola, Thumbs Up, when you open the lid you get effervescence. So you have to check whether we get bubbles here. See. Correct? तो आपको बबल्स मिल रहे हैं, लेकिन आप पे प्रॉपर वर्ड क्या यूज़ करेंगे? एफरवेसेंस. सो टेस्ट कॉलम यू राइट डाउन सॉल्ट प्लस dilute HCl. Observation column you write down brisk effervescence, strong effervescence, and then inference column you write down CO3 2 minus carbonate present. Now students, in the preliminary test, okay, now we got carbonate present. If you don't get carbonate present, then we continue with the remaining test for remaining anions. But if we get here now, today we have got carbonate present, so directly we perform the confirmatory test for this particular anion according to the rule. Okay, don't perform the remaining test. Stop here only, carbonate present. Okay, then directly perform the CT, that is confirmatory test for carbonate. So let us perform the CT and let us confirm the presence of carbonate anion. So I will take salt in the test tube, then dilute HCl, just now we perform this test and we know that we are going to get effervescence, that means the gas is evolved, and now this gas is tested with blue litmus paper. Okay, see, can you see the change in the color here? Okay, blue litmus paper is turning pink or red, detecting the confirmation of carbonate anion. So once the anion is confirmed, okay, you have to write down the one sentence that the anion confirmed is CO3 2 minus, that is carbonate for the today's soil. Now the next step, we are proceeding stepwise. Now the next step will be detection of cation, positive ion. For that, first you have to prepare OS. Always before proceeding with the detection of cation, you prepare OS. Now how to prepare OS? OS means ओरिजिनल सोल्यूशन. ये कैसे अभी प्रिपेयर करेंगे? You take salt, okay, and add water, then mix it properly for 1 or 2 minutes. If the salt is soluble, you get clear solution, that will be your OS. So let's start with the first step in preparation of OS. Okay, and today's salt already we have checked in one test. There also we have used salt and water only, and we clearly know that we get a clear solution. Correct? Salt and water. So this is our original solution, OS. Now with this OS we start detecting the cation or positive ion. The first test. Now before proceeding the detection of cation, we have to give the heading. After preparation of OS, give the heading detection of group detection. In periodic table chapter you have studied what are groups, what are periods. Okay, so here we have positive ions in your syllabus from group 0, group 1, group 2, group 3, group 4 and group 5. So always we start in this particular step after preparing OS the test for group 0, in which always we detect presence of NH4 plus cation, that is ammonium ion. Now how to detect this and what is the test? Look here. So the first test here, students, in the group detection and detection of 0 group, NH4 plus cation, take salt, little salt, add NaOH solution, NaOH, sodium hydroxide, dilute NaOH solution, your table reagent only,